Dr.K.Selvaraju, Professor and Head, Department of Pharmaceutics, Prime College of Pharmacy, Palakkad. Today we are going to discuss about the pharmaceutical suspensions. Now we move to what is the definition for the pharmaceutical suspension. A pharmaceutical suspension is a coarse dispersion. Yes, it is a coarse dispersion in which insoluble solid particle, the solid particle ranges from 0.5 to 5 micron in size, are dispersed in a liquid medium. In the liquid medium, we are dispersing 0.5 to 5 micron particle sizes. The solid particle acts as a dispersed phase, where the liquid vehicle acts as a continuous phase. Now, what are the good qualities of a good suspension? A suspended drug particle should not settle rapidly. It's very important. If it is settled means it's very dangerous, so that it should not settle rapidly. So readily redispersible into uniform mixture when the container is shaken. So while shaking the container, it should redisperse. That's a very important character, good quality of a good suspension. And it must not form a hard cake and must not be too viscous. So if it is too viscous means what will happen? It will the liquid or the suspension will comes out is very difficult. So that it must not be too viscous. Now, according to the classification of pharmaceutical suspension, how can we classify the pharmaceutical suspension based on the route of administration? Orally administered mixtures. The orally administered very popular antacid oral suspension. Yes, we know that the digene gel, that aluminum hydroxide and magnesium trisilicate. It's a digene gel, gelusil, and various mucoin, various trade names will be very popular trade names. Yes, we know that's antacid oral suspension. Then we move to the analgesic and antipyretic oral suspension. You know that the suspension nowadays, why it's very popular. You know that in many pediatric formulation, many drugs are available in the suspension form. You know that if your child is that is a fever is there, then we are supposed to go with our suspension paracetamol. So analgesic antipyretic oral suspension. Then antibacterial oral suspension. So antibacterial oral suspensions, that various antibacterials are available. For example, fluoxetine, like that, many antibiotics also. Then anthelmintic oral suspension. Anthelmintic, that is various companies, they are producing in suspension form anthelmintic. Then antibacterial and anti-amoebic oral suspension and dry powders for oral suspension. These are some oral suspensions available. Now we move to the externally applied suspension for topical use. So here the solid particles are not exceeded 20% of solid particle. Very popular one is lacto-calamine lotion. Lacto-calamine lotion is very popular one. It is a dermatological, cosmetics and protective purposes we are using. Next one is the parenteral suspension. Very popular nowadays. You know that the bibasic isopen insulin injection. It's a very important suspension, that life-saving one. 0.5 to 30% of solid particles are present in that. We are seeing in the slide itself. Procaine penicillin G also are available in a parenteral suspension. And based on the solid particle, it is classified into dilute suspension 2 to 10%. Weight by volume solid is called as dilute suspension. And in concentrated suspension, 50% weight by volume of solids. Based on electrokinetic nature of the solid particles, a flagulated suspension and deflagellated suspensions. Now finally we comes to in intro portions, that is what are the applications if it is available, the drug molecule is available in the suspension form. Yes, very well known. That is a drug in suspension form. Definitely it will exhibit the higher rate of bioavailability. The bioavailability is improved. You know that the solution is the first one. Second, the bioavailability, increased bioavailability we can see in its suspension. Then the capsules and compressed tablets and coated tablets. And the suspensions can use to mask the unpleasant and bitter taste. You know that the many drug molecules are available in unpleasant and bitter taste. So if it is available in the suspension form, some sweetening agents, some flavoring agents are included, then it will becoming mask the unpleasant taste and odor. So chloramphenicol palmilate and is available as a suspension to mask the unpleasant taste and Some X-ray contrast agents used for examine GIT can be administered as a suspension. For example, barium sulfate is used as in the suspension, and suspension can improve the chemical stabilities for certain drugs. Certain drugs, if it is available in the suspension, for example, amoxicillin trisilicate, it has a more chemical stability, and application duration and onset of action can be controlled. Some, for example, is protamine, zinc, insulin. So suspensions nowadays, you know that it's play an important role in the formulation of the various dosage form, and it has also some disadvantages. You know that the physical stability is the problem, and sedimentation can cause some problem, and the bulkiness and sufficient care should be taken during handling and transportation of these suspensions, and uniform and accurate dose supposed to be cannot be achieved by using this suspension. Okay, I think this is a very good intro for you for the pharmaceutical suspensions, and next class we will continue the what are the various physical stability and how can we formulate a suspensions and everything. Have a good day, good luck. Thank you.